of you know about the indefinite integral? Indefinite integral means we are getting an integral, infinitely many integrals. Okay. Now, suppose you have a function integral of f of x is equal to pi of x plus c. Okay. Now, c is an arbitrary constant. By assigning different values for c, you are getting different integrals, infinitely many integrals. Now, by taking one particular value, okay, you get definite integral. Suppose you have f of x with respect to x. Considering in the interval a to b, that is a to b, and that is equal to pi of x from a to b, and that is the difference. Here pi of b minus pi of a. Here this a is called as the lower limit of the function and b is called as the upper limit of the function. Okay. So now we have to consider some particular problems. Okay. First one is you consider integral of 2x square minus x cube with respect to x from minus 1 to 1. Okay. 2x square minus x cube from minus 1 to 1. So here two constant keep as it is. Integral of x square is x cubed by 3. Integral of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 minus 1 to 1. So that is 2 into 1 cube by 3 minus 1 to the power 4 by 4 minus 2 into minus 1 cube by 3 minus 1 to the power 4 by 4. So you are getting 2 by 3, your minus 1 by 4, minus 1 cube is minus plus 2 by 3, your plus 1, your minus, so minus plus 1 by 4 cancels, here you are getting 4 by 2. Okay, this calculation is important in the definite integral. Next problem is, okay, the next problem is integration of 3x minus 2 whole square from 2 to 4. 3x minus 2 whole square from 2 to 4. Okay. So here you can't find the integral directly because we have binomial here, binomial square. So you have to expand first. A minus b whole square. A square, that is 3x whole square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So that is 9x square minus 6 2 is 12x plus 4. Now integrate. 9 into x cube by 3 minus 12 into x square by 2 plus 4x from 2 to 4. So 3 3s are 2 6s are. So what do you get here? X cube, 3x cube minus 6x square plus 4x from 2 to 4. So 3 into 4 to the power 4 cube minus 6 into 4 square plus 4 into 4 minus 3 into 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 4 into 2. So 16, 3 into 64 minus 6 into 16 plus 16 minus 8 3s are 24, 4 6s are 24 minus 8. This cancels. So 192 minus 96 plus 16 minus 8 is 8. So this is 96 plus 8, that is 104. Okay, so this is the next problem. Here also the calculation is very important. You have to do the proper calculation. And next problem is integration of 1 by x square minus 1 by x cube with respect to x from minus 3 to minus 1. So here square. That is x to the power minus 2. Here x cube is x to the power minus 3. So that is equal to x to the power minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1 by minus 1. X to the power minus 3 is minus x to the power minus 3 plus 1. That is minus 2 divided by minus 3 plus 1. That is minus 2. Okay, x to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. So that is minus 2 divided by minus 2. So that is minus 1 by x. That is from minus 3 to minus 1. Here plus 1 by 2 x square from minus 3 to minus 1. So now apply the limits. Okay, apply the limits. So that is minus 1 by minus here 1 by minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 square, then minus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 by 2 into minus 3 square. So this is 1 plus half, here plus minus 1 by 3. 9 2s are 18 minus 1 by 18. So 18 is the LCM. 18 plus here 9 minus 6 minus 1. Okay, so here 18 plus 9, 27. 27 minus 21, 20 by 18. That is 10 by 9. Okay, this is the next problem. We have to consider another problem here. Okay. The problem is integration of okay, integration of 1 by x plus 2 with respect to x from 6 to 10. So that is integration of 1 by x2. That is nothing but log x plus 2. That from 6 to 10. So this is log 10 plus 2 minus log 6 plus 2. Okay. So log 12 minus log 8. So that is log 12 by 8. Rules of logarithm. Log m minus log n is log m by n. That is log 4 3s are 4 2s are log 3 by 2. Okay. This is the problem. Log here the solution is log 3 by 2. Okay. The next problem is prove that integration of 1 by x minus 3 with respect to x from 3 to 8 is log 5. Okay. So that is equal to integration of 1 by x minus 3 is log x minus 3. That is from 3 to 8. Okay. Log x minus 3 from 3 to 8. And that is equal to log 8 minus 3 minus log 3 minus 3. And this is equal to log 5 minus log 0. Log 0 is not defined. So that is equal to log 5 itself. Okay. Log 5. Okay, so this is about the topic definite integrals. In all the cases, the calculation is very important and you are getting one particular definite integral. Okay, so all the things are very important.